In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom sections in Slack. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing your channels and direct messages, especially if you're part of a busy workspace. Let's dive in and explore how you can make Slack work even better for you. First, open the Slack application on your computer or navigate to Slack in your web browser. Once you're logged in with your workspace credentials, you'll see the sidebar on the left. This sidebar is where all your channels, direct messages, and apps reside, making it the hub of your Slack experience. To begin creating a custom section, look for the small gear icon next to the channels header on the sidebar. Click on this icon, which will open up the Channel Management menu. In this menu, you'll want to select Create Section. This option allows you to carve out a personalized space within the sidebar where you can group channels or messages according to your preference. When prompted, give your new section a descriptive name that will help you identify it at a glance. For example, if you're working on a project called Phoenix, you might name your section Phoenix Project. Once you've named the section, click the Create button to add it to your sidebar. Now that your custom section is in place, you can start adding channels and direct messages. To do this, simply drag and drop an existing channel or message directly into your newly created section. If dragging is not your style, you can also right-click on the channel or message, select Move To, and choose the desired section from the list that appears. Custom sections in Slack are flexible by design. You can add as many channels and messages as you need, keeping everything neat and specific to your projects or topics. Plus, if things change, you can easily rename or delete a section. To rename, just click the gear icon next to the section's name, select Rename Section, edit the name, and click Save. If you need to delete a section, simply return to the same menu and choose Delete Section. Just remember, deleting a section does not delete the channels or messages inside it. They'll return to their original places in your sidebar. As you get more comfortable with Slack's custom sections, you'll find that managing your workspace becomes significantly more intuitive. It helps reduce the noise, allowing you to stay focused on what matters most. Whether you're managing team communications for multiple projects or simply keeping your tasks organized, this feature will undoubtedly enhance your Slack experience. That's it for today's guide. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to streamline your Slack workspace. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with everyday tools like Slack.